Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to remove secure folder from your device can be beneficial if you no longer need the additional layer of security it provides or if you want to free up storage space. Removing secure folder allows you to streamline your device features and remove any unnecessary apps or functionalities. Additionally, it can simplify your device interface and potentially improve its performance by reducing background processes. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, long press on the app. After that, select this icon to show the app info. Well, and here tap on this option. And then look for this option, tap on it. Okay, next you can click on install here. Click once more, and then the secure folder is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.